Hello, my dear friends. Today, let's journey to a land renowned for its gentle spirit, golden temples, and the warmest smiles you'll ever encounter. Imagine a place where ancient traditions gracefully coexist with modern life, and where every day holds small, beautiful moments of peace. We are traveling to Thailand, specifically to a quiet town near the ancient city of Ayutthaya. Get ready to slow down, feel the vibrant yet calming energy, and maybe even dream of a life filled with kindness and color. Our story begins with Mali, a young woman who lives in a traditional wooden house, painted a soft turquoise, nestled by a quiet canal. The first hint of dawn paints the sky in shades of pearl and rose, and Mali is already awake. She rises from her simple, comfortable bed, the air warm and sweet with the scent of jasmine. Her very first act is to offer a prayer, gently pressing her palms together. This simple act of gratitude is a wonderful advice on starting your day with a peaceful heart, setting a positive tone for all that follows. Soon, the rhythmic splashing of water can be heard as Mali sprinkles water over the small shrine outside her home, refreshing the flowers and offerings. The scent of incense begins to drift through the air, mixing with the sweet aroma of freshly brewed Thai tea, rich and creamy with condensed milk. She sips it slowly, watching the morning light dance on the water of the canal. This quiet ritual, connecting with her spiritual side, is a beautiful reminder that peace can be found in simple, repetitive acts. After her tea, Mali prepares small bowls of freshly cooked rice and a few pieces of fruit. As the sun rises higher, the soft ring of a bell signals the approach of saffron-robed Buddhist monks on their morning alms round. Mali steps out, bowing respectfully, and places the food into their bowls. This act of giving, or tak bat, is a daily tradition in Thailand and a profound lesson in generosity and mindfulness. Monks rely entirely on alms for their sustenance, and this practice offers lay people a way to make merit and connect with the monastic community. Later in the morning, Mali cycles to the local market on her old but trusty bicycle. The path winds through fields of vibrant green, where water buffalo graze lazily. The air is warm and humid, carrying the scent of exotic fruits and street food being prepared. She passes small wooden houses with colorful potted plants and receives many cheerful sawadee ka greetings from neighbors. This peaceful journey is a great motivation to explore your local environment slowly, noticing the small details that make it special. The market is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Colorful fruits are piled high, vibrant spices perfume the air, and the chatter of vendors and shoppers creates a lively buzz. Mali skillfully navigates the bustling aisles, selecting plump mangoes, fresh herbs, and a small bunch of orchids. She exchanges friendly words and smiles with the vendors, who often offer her a taste of their wares. This vibrant energy and connection to community is a core part of Thai life. For lunch, Mali enjoys a plate of pad see ew, white rice noodles stir-fried with Chinese broccoli, egg, and a savory sauce from her favorite street food stall. The smoky aroma and delicious taste are a treat. She sits on a small plastic stool, watching the world go by, feeling completely at ease. It's a moment of simple joy, reminding us that happiness can be found in a delicious meal and the vibrant energy of everyday life. What brings you peace where you live? Is it the food, the people, or something else? In the afternoon, Mali often visits her grandmother, who lives just a few houses away. Her grandmother teaches her the delicate art of making flower garlands, phuang malai. With nimble fingers, they thread fragrant jasmine buds and roses onto long strings, creating beautiful, intricate patterns. The soft fragrance fills the room, and their conversation flows gently, filled with family stories and gentle wisdom. This shared tradition is a beautiful lesson in intergenerational connection and learning from the wisdom of elders. As the sun begins its slow descent, painting the sky in fiery hues, Mali often helps her family tend to their small garden behind the house. They grow chili, lemongrass, and kaffir lime, essential ingredients for Thai cooking. The evening air is cooler now, and the sounds of cicadas begin to fill the air. It's a peaceful time of day, a quiet winding down, reflecting the gentle rhythm of life in rural Thailand. The beauty of nature is always close by. In the evening, after a light dinner, Marley might join her family on the porch, listening to the soft sounds of the evening. Sometimes, they listen to a traditional Thai folk tale, passed down through generations, or simply enjoy the quiet company. The day ends with a feeling of contentment, a sense of belonging, and a quiet appreciation for the simple blessings. Marley's life is not about grand adventures, but about finding meaning and joy in the everyday. The moral of Marley's story, and the gentle wisdom of Thailand is this: true happiness isn't found in constant seeking, but in the practice of kindness, gratitude, and finding beauty in the present moment. It's about cherishing community, honoring traditions, and living with a gentle heart. Thailand teaches us that a rich life is built on simplicity, connection, and a deep appreciation for the abundant beauty around us. I hope you enjoyed this tranquil journey through Marley's day in Thailand. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below and tell me, what was your favorite moment from Marley's story? And where in the world would you most love to live a quiet, peaceful life, perhaps inspired by Thailand's gentle spirit? If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe for more peaceful and inspiring stories from around the globe. Until next time, find your own quiet corner and let peace fill your day.